here this beautiful sea turtle wind spinner. It instantly stood out with its bright colors and high shine finish. I just love this thing. At 12 inches wide, and it's made from stainless steel, so nice. It has this look of well-crafted garden accent. I have it hanging on my gazebo to deter the birds. I love its eye-catching design. 3D sea turtles. Anything with turtles definitely catches my eye. It is so perfect for catching the sunlight and spinning in the breeze. It has a beautiful laser cut stainless steel. It feels really, really durable and weather resistant. And I really like the clip with the 360 swivel hooks, which is very nice. It is gift ready packaging. It came in like a little giftable box, and with a simple twist, you get it into its perfect shape. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. The spinner is charming to any outdoor space, and it's so pretty to watch. And you know what? Surprisingly well built for the cost. I would definitely pick up a few more of these to keep as gifts for, like birthdays, holidays, or nice housewarming presents, but I do highly recommend.